Every year, as the Coachella Valley heats up, many snowbirds pack up and head to cooler climates for the summer. But before you leave, have you thought about whether you should turn off your water? It might not be top of mind, but this simple step can protect your home from water damage while you're away. Let's weigh the pros and cons so you can make the best decision for your summer escape. Turning off your water when you leave for the season is one of the easiest ways to prevent costly damage. A burst pipe or leaky appliance can wreak havoc on an unoccupied home, potentially leading to mold, ruined flooring, or structural issues. With the main water supply off, you eliminate the risk of leaks entirely, offering peace of mind while you're away enjoying cooler weather. Another benefit is saving money. Many snowbirds invest in smart water shutoff systems, which not only stop leaks, but also alert you to potential issues. These systems can be a great option for long-term travelers, adding an extra layer of protection to your home. However, there are a few cons to consider. If you have landscaping or a pool, shutting off your water may not be an option unless you have a professional adjust your irrigation system or pool equipment. Additionally, some water heaters and appliances may require specific settings to ensure they don't malfunction while the water is off. Another potential issue arises when it's time to turn your water back on. If pipes or fittings dry out during your absence, they can sometimes shift or crack, leading to leaks when the water pressure is restored. This makes it critical to inspect your system carefully upon your return and turn the water back on slowly to avoid any sudden surprises. To make the process easier, consult with a professional to check that all systems in your home are prepared for the shutoff. At Anthem, we can help you identify the best approach for your unique situation, whether that's shutting off your water entirely or installing a smart system for added convenience and protection. Before heading out for the season, take a few minutes to secure your home. Turning off your water can be a stress-free way to avoid unexpected surprises and keep your property safe. Need help? Call Anthem at 760-895-2621 or visit us at anthemcv.com. Let us help you protect your home so you can fully enjoy your time away.